Arrow location. Good morning, students. Today's topic. In the previous class, we learned about simple ratio and compound ratio. Today also, I am explaining about simple ratio and compound ratio, how to solve the problems. Now, simple ratio. Ratio of 5:10 equal to 5:10. Cancelled a number in both the ratio. Cancelled with 5. 5 table 1 time, 5 table 2 times. That's equal to 1:2. Ratio of 5:10 equal to 1:2. This is the simplest form. This is the simplest form. Again, ratio of 4:7 equal to 4:7. This is the simplest form because there is no number cancellation in both the digits. So 4:7 is the simplest form is 4:7. This is the ratio. This is called simple ratio. Okay. This is first term is called first term or antecedent. Second term is also called second term or consequent. Antecedent, consequent. First term, second term. Okay, this is the simple ratio. Now, compound ratio. Compound ratio. Here, compound ratio of A is to B and C is to D. Compound ratio of A is to B and C is to D. To find out the compound ratio, in this ratio, this is antecedent. In this ratio, this is also antecedent. First of all, find out the product of antecedents. It means A into C is to. Next, find the product of consequence. Here is the consequent is B, here is D. B is to D. A into C, AC, B into D, BD. This is the compound ratio of A is to B and C is to D. One more example. Compound ratio of compound ratio of 2:3 and 4:5. Now find the product of antecedents. 2 into 4 consequence, product of consequence 3 into 5. 2 4s are 8, 3 5s are 15. 8:15 is the compound ratio of 2:3 and 4:5. One more example. Compound ratio of 3:4 and 8:5. 3:4 and 8:5. Find the product of antecedents. 3 into 8 is to product of consequence. 4 into 5. 3 8s are 24. 4 5s are 20. 24 is to 20. Cancelled with 4. Here 6 times. Here 5 times. It means 6:5. 6:5 is the compound ratio of 2:3 and 4:5. Okay. Again, some more problems are there. First one. If the compound ratio of if the compound ratio of 5:8 and 3:7 is 45:x. Find x. Okay. This is the one ratio, this is another ratio. First of all, find out the compound ratio of these two ratios. given two ratios equal to 5:8 and 3:7, their compound ratio, what is the rule? Product of antecedents 5 into 3 is to product of consequents 8 into 7. 5 3s are 15, 8 7s are 56. This is the compound ratio of these two ratios. But some compound ratio has been given. Given compound ratio equal to 45:x. Here, this is the compound ratio what we have found. This is the given compound ratio. Equal them. Therefore, 15:56 is equal to 45:x. This is one ratio. This is another ratio. This is the equality symbol. Equality of two ratios is called proportion. Equality of two ratios 15:56 is equal to 45:x. These ratios are combined with equal. So equality of two ratios is called proportion. What is the proportion rule? Product of extremes equal to product of means. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. It means 15 into x is equal to 56 into 45. It means find the product of last two digits and middle two digits. 15 into x equal to 56 into 45. X equal to 56 into 45 by 15. It means left side 15 is multiplying x. It becomes right side division. 15 cancelled in 45 3 times. X equal to 56 into 3. That's equal to 160. Therefore, value of x equal to 168. This is the way to find the compound ratio in x value. Okay. Okay. Now I am giving you one question for homework. Okay. Write down. If the compound ratio of 2:3 and 3:4 is 8:15. Find the value of x. Try to solve this problem. If not, I will explain in the next class. Okay, thank you.